Okay, this is your Pocono Weather 360 slash weather outlook special video for the day. We're going to look at what's coming up and why some people think winter's over, and we'll show you why they think that, and then we'll also show you why it's not over. Okay, this is the prior 2 weeks that we just had. Basically, temperatures a bit above normal when you average them all together, a little bit less along the coast, and that's where the heavier snow cover was at. Yeah, we have a big trough developing in the western part of this. This is basically your Stratlawn, and it's pushing the warmer air to the east. As you can see up this, you can see this little blue line. That's like your 32-degree line. So you can see how the cold air is pushing down here, and then the warm air is pushing up here. And that's pretty much how it works. Warm air, cold air, warm air. That's kind of how the winds go. The jet stream goes. So that's kind of what's going on there. So basically, anything that's going to come east, if it's during the day, it's going to be rain, and if it's at night, there could be a mix. But I think that's only going to account for this to the storm that's going to come through today and tonight into tomorrow morning. I think in some areas, especially northeast, there'll be some mixed precipitation. So next week, you have some warmer temperatures out here, and really heating up out here, and that'll leak to the east next week as we're basically between 3 and say 6 degrees above normal across Pennsylvania, about 2 to 3 degrees above normal in Jersey. Now, the first week of March, which takes you to the 8th, temperatures will be above normal across Pennsylvania. But there is a cold shot that's going to come in right around the 29th, and it'll just last a couple days. So that's kind of what brings these averages down. That's why if you look up here, above average and a little less to the south, that goes on there. And that's kind of the end of your heat wave. And then by the middle of March, your trough is now pushing down towards the east. So you have this is your cold weather, and your storm tracks are going to be down through here. That's one reason I'm saying keep an eye out around St. Patrick's Day. And then between the 8th of March and say the 7th or 8th of April, this is your averages, and you can see a big switch. We went from 12, 15 above average out here to below average, and Pennsylvania has gone to average to below average, and Jersey the same thing. You're at average or just below average there, and so that changes things. So again, it leaves open snow. Based on the Euro ensemble, this is the snow you would have between March 8th and April 8th. And so even if it doesn't hit to some of these numbers, it still shows that there's going to be snow. We're not out of the woods yet. So just giving you the heads up to let you know that despite all the claims you're going to hear, winter is not technically over yet. And technically, by the calendar, you still have to the end of March before it changes to spring. But I think this year's spring is going to be delayed till somewhere towards the middle of April before we start breaking into that spring weather. Okay, that's your weather extra for Pocono Weather 360 slash weather outlook. That covers Pennsylvania and New Jersey and parts of Delaware and New York.